Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to set up Stereo Mix Windows 10 full guide. Open Sound Settings, choose Recording, enable Show Disabled Devices, then right-click Stereo Mix and enable it. Set Stereo Mix as the default recording device when you want to capture system audio. Adjust input levels and test with a simple recording app to confirm audio capture works properly. Restart Windows Audio Service if needed. If Stereo Mix is missing, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the audio driver for your sound card. Use the manufacturer driver package when possible, as it often exposes extra features. After reinstalling, reboot the system and revisit recording devices to check for Stereo Mix. If problems persist, try the Windows Troubleshooter for recording audio and temporarily disable exclusive mode to allow multiple apps to capture sound. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up The Simple Path to Wealth for a friendly, clear take on money management that pairs nicely with practical tech habits. It makes budgeting and saving feel approachable after you master system audio capture. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once Stereo Mix is enabled, open the app you plan to use and choose Stereo Mix as the input source. Adjust input gain, sample rate, and monitoring preferences to avoid distortion and ensure proper levels. Run a short test by playing system audio and recording a sample, then listen back to confirm clarity and balance. Save your configuration or create a preset to streamline future captures and avoid reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.